Hello, everyone, and welcome to You Are Unique Yoga. I am Marlene. Today, we are doing our 14th Yoga Asana, known as Virbdrahasana, also known as Warrior 2. Now, before we get to that, let's just come to a standing position. And Warrior 2 is the same as Warrior 1, but it's just slightly different because we use a little arm balance. Warrior 2 strengthens your legs, it improves your balance, and it also helps with your core as well. So if you have any problems with your hips or knees or anything like that, just wait till you're a little bit better to go into the pose. Now remember, with Warrior 1, we came to a parallel just the same. Okay, we put our left foot out, and we're going to put it back. And we're going to make sure our extension is correct. We're going to make sure our ankles and knees is lined up and our second toe is lined up with our knee. We'll put our arms up. Remember now, your back is not over, your tail is in, and you gauge your core. You can put your hands on your waist to make sure that you get a little balance there. And you want the extension of your left and your right leg to have a little extension so that you could feel the strength in your legs, your knees, and also the back of your ankles. Remember, your body is facing, torso is facing forward and straight. Put our arms down. We'll raise our arms up. Swing their other arm down. It's parallel and straight. Shoulders down. Your arms out straight. And you will feel it. Just come down and bring yourself to center. Let's do that again. Come back. Remember to use a mat that have the alignments on it, because this is going to always keep you in the proper position that you need to be for all yoga poses. Bring arms up, bend out the knee, feel it in your core. Remember, your arms are not touching your ears, shoulders are down. Swing your arm out. And strong and straight. This will make you feel so empowered, so much strength, because we're working out all of our extremities and also our core. Arms down, step forward. We'll do that one more time. Remember, stand up straight and tall. Step our left foot back. Get your alignment, adjust yourself to proper alignment and extension. And out the knee. Put your hands on your waist, which helps a lot. Your tail is back. Core is in. Arms up. And scoop. Remember to engage the core. Arms down and step forward. And there you have it. That's the Warrior 2 pose. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the mat. Namaste.